You do it. Hi, I'm Michael Green. I run FotoPro USA. We are a manufacturer of high quality aluminum and carbon fiber tripods. We have a line of lightweight tripods for video and for photo, which would be for a lot that have cell phone adapters that come with them on the bottom that you unscrew so that you can put your cell phone on top or use them as video heads and fluid heads. We also have regular camera and monopod heads on the top of them. So for the lightweight, you can do either one. They're very foldable down to about 18 inches. Since they're all carbon fiber in that, they weigh less than 2 pounds in most instances. We then translate back up into heavier duty tripods for the adventure and outdoor photographer. These tripods weigh they're again carbon fiber, but they're the newest, lightest weight, strongest carbon fiber. They will hold up to 27.5 pounds, and they weigh approximately 3 pounds, and again, they'll fold up to about 18, 19 inches. We now make also scope and tripod bundles, so that if you're interested in spotting scopes for birding or hunting, you can buy a complete bundle, which would include a carbon fiber high quality tripod, a video head and a monoball head, and a scope. We have partnered with a company called Bosma, which is a high-end optics company from China, and we're doing this together now. We call it the Golden Hawk, but it is a great bundle for birders. Our signature product that we have had for, I don't know, the last 5 years is called an Eagle. Our Eagle tripod is the best well-known gimbal head patented in the United States and patented worldwide. It's the only head that allows you to shoot 360 degrees spherically. You can shoot straight up, photograph straight up, you can photograph straight down for macro photography, and anywhere in between. The entire tripod and head weighs only 5.5 pounds. It's made with 1K carbon fiber, and it folds down again to about 24 inches and can be carried onto an airplane as a carry-on. That's what we do at FotoPro, from the high end to the low end. We also have partnered with Bosma.
Yes, met him yesterday.
That we did yesterday. Okay, so that's who we are. And again, I'm Michael Green, the president of FotoPro USA.